everyone, welcome back to my vlog today. So this is the verbal product reviews, and today I'm gonna unboxing a new shopping haul, and I buy this in our own shopping mall here in Philippines, and this is my vlog for today. So let's start it up, guys. And then this is our so let's start with the biggest one because we're gonna have to make a new. Okay, so this is the laptop cooling pad, and then I buy this for only 399 pesos. So this is also has a specifications, and also there's a quick what is this called, so ergonomic design with multiple angle height adjustment. It has also a dual 14 centimeter fans for high cooling performance, compatible with most laptop computers, and it has also two USB ports, stylish LED lights. So the specifications on it: product dimension of 360 by 260 by 30 millimeter. There's also a fan dimension of 140 by 140 by 15 millimeter. Fan speed of 750 RPM. Airflow is the 24 to 44 CFM. Air pressure of 0.45 1.53 mm H2O. Fan noise 11 dBA, and that is the minimum, and also the current is 0.3 A maximum. The voltage of 5 volts DC. Power input 3.0 watts, and also the net weight is 750 grams. So let's open it up. So okay, so this is the cooling pad that I buy. So this includes a USB. So this is the USB, the cooling pad. Yes, and yes, this is good, and I love it. So this is the cooling pad that I buy. So this is also a stopper, so that you cannot, what is this called, so the laptop won't slide. There's a stopper here, and there's also a kickstand here at the back. Yes, there's also a kickstand here, in which you can like that. So there's a quick stand right here. Okay, this is good, this is nice, I love it. So I'm gonna try it later on, and also I'm gonna have a review of this. So this is great, and also this one and this one. Yes, this is great, and look how sturdy it is. This is great unboxing. So the next one I have here is, I have some charger for Type C to Type C. This is the This is the My Pro fully compatible Type C to Type C, and it is a 20 watts charger for USB Type C Android phones. So this is good, and I think I'm gonna use this for travel, because I have a USB. My Samsung is a USB-C, and I think this is good. This one, like this one, and yeah, better than the original one. So there's a plastic on it. So let's take the plastic out, or maybe I'm gonna take it out later. So this is the My Pro 20 watts USB-C charger. So next is, I have some phone stand for my tablet. So I forgot to okay, so this is the stand for my tablet. So let's open it up, and then here it goes. Love the design. It's so matte black, and then it is good, so good, and yes, very good for using taking notes. This is good. Okay, and then the next I have here also, I I have here also from Miniso. So I have this screwdriver kit. Yes, I have a screwdriver kit. So I gotta buy this because I don't have this, because I don't have this kind of tool. And then I'm also doing some in my room. So this there's a selection of this one. There's a selection of screws here, and then I gonna have this. So I'm gonna have a review of this later on. So this one nice, and this is good, nice one. So I'm gonna have a review of this soon here in my channel. Okay, this is good and beautiful. Yes, beautiful, and I think it's not in the okay, in the right position. Okay, so this is my screwdriver kit, and I love it. So this is nice and cool. Okay, so next I have some toiletry. I have some toiletry bag in here. So this is from Concepts. This is from Concepts Toiletry Kit. And then let's open it up if you want to. So here we have some hook to put in your toilet, and then it has some zippers on it. Zippers, you can put something there, lotion and ointment. So for your allergies, and then here have some mesh pocket here to put all your napkins, anything for toilet. So you can put some wet wipes, napkins, and everything. And also it also can be retractable. This one type of toiletry kit. So this toiletry kit, and also this is something have also a mesh pocket down. So this there are three mesh pockets. So 1, 2, 3 mesh pocket here, and yes, it is good. Some good toiletry for your travel essentials. So this is good and nice. You perfect for your, what is this? Perfect for your travel accessories. So all the products that I've mentioned is I will put the links, and also there's no links on it, but I can put the prices on it, and I will put that below in the description box. The shopping mall which where I buy these stuffs. So I don't have to mention it in my blog, but this is not also a sponsored video for them. So just hoping that it was good. And also the price of this is 299.75 pesos. So, and also I'm gonna convert it into US dollars price, so that the foreign people will know how much the price is if they will be here in Philippines and buy this, and buy something here in Philippines that which they can afford, right? Okay, so the last one here is I have the last one here, and I have this Globe Pocket Wi-Fi. So for only 899 pesos. So the last time the price is 999, and now it all came down into 899. So this is the ultra fast LTE surfing anytime, anywhere. This is the what is this called, Globe Pocket Wi-Fi. So which you can use it on the go and everywhere. So I think you can open line this. I think you can open line this pocket Wi-Fi if you want to. So if you want to what is this called? If you want to use another another SIM card. So this is the pocket Wi-Fi here, and also it has also the battery in the adapter, battery in the charging, but this is the battery, and also there is a charging cable. The charging cable, and also this is the Wi-Fi SIM card for this. This is the Wi-Fi SIM of the pocket Wi-Fi. So, and also the battery pack. This is the battery. And then yes, that's it guys, that's it for today's vlog, and hope you enjoy watching. This is my channel, the Burmel Product Reviews, and this is the new vlogs for today. This is my shopping haul vlog and unboxing. So I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell below to notify all of my upcoming videos here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and leave a big thumbs up in my videos if you like this, and also please subscribe, okay?